Hey Legends! Want to send your friend a cool skin in Apex? Here's an introduction to the gifting system. Before we start, take note that gifting is currently disabled as of January 2025 due to bugs. However, it is only a matter of time before it's enabled again. So here's how to ensure that you're ready to send gifts to your friends once it's available. Let's go. First, head over to the Store tab in Apex. You can find it in the main menu. Now, browse through bundles, skins, or Apex packs. Find the item you want to gift and click on it. If the item is giftable, you'll see a gift button next to the purchase option. Click it. Now currently, this is grayed out as it is disabled by Respawn. Normally though, clicking it would let you pick a friend from your in-game friends list. And keep in mind, you need to be friends for at least 2 weeks. Another thing to note is that you both should have login verification enabled. This is done through EA account security. If login verification is disabled, this setting should show turn on. Now, you can use Apex coins to complete the purchase. Once confirmed, your friend gets their gift instantly. One thing to note is that you can only gift items that can be purchased with Apex coins. And that's it. Now you know how to gift like a pro in Apex. See you later.